Rule 2. Consonant and consonant. Business deal. Credit check. The top fire. Sell 9 new cars. Sit down. Some plans need luck. Check cashing. Let them make commissions. Happy birthdays. Rule 3. Borrow and borrow. Go away. Surround it. Throughout. You are. Here is. Do I asked. Too open. Too always. Too often. Rule 4. T and Y. What's your name? Can't you do it? I'll let you know. Don't you like it? Haven't you? No, not yet. D and Y. Did you like it? Could you tell? How'd you like it? Where'd you send your check? Did you find your keys? S and Y. Yes, you are. Bless you. Can you dress yourself? Let them get a car for you. Z and Y. How's your family? Who's your friend? Where's your mom? When's your birthday? That is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.